Today, we're talking about a car that is amazing. It could even be called fantastic. I drive it all the time, so I'm really comfortable driving it, and I'm curious how it's gonna rock the dyno. It's my 2011 Prius. When I'm not driving my 1,000 horsepower S14, I'm driving my trusty steed back and forth from work. So the test today is not only for a little bit of fun, but also to see how ENEOS oil affects my daily driver. All right, let's get the car on the dyno. So first we're gonna dyno the car with the oil that's already in it. It's a generic 0-20 weight oil, and it's within the proper service interval. Then we're gonna change the oil with some ENEOS and dyno it again. All right, ready? So the beast made 110 wheel horsepower. Not bad. Now we're gonna put in some ENEOS oil, 0-20 in the engine, and Eco ATF Plus into the transmission. Both are supposed to help the car run a little bit better and a little bit more smoothly. So we'll see if they unleash
a little bit more power.
Let's fill this baby up. Yeah, 111, baby. So this test might seem a little bit ridiculous to most. Why would you dyno a Prius, right? Well, this test is to show what good oil in your engine and transmission can actually result in. And drum roll, we gained 1 horsepower.
1 horsepower.
Now, very few Prius owners will care about gaining a horsepower, but what they will care about is the engine running more efficiently with better lubrication, less wear, resulting in better gas mileage.